Welcome back to AI Practitioner Exam Bites. Let's start by reviewing the question from the previous episode asking about foundational model performance. And the answer is D. A combination of human evaluation and benchmark datasets often provides the most comprehensive assessment. While both human evaluation and benchmark datasets have their strengths, using them in combination often provides the most comprehensive view of a foundation model's performance. Human evaluation can catch nuances and assess real-world applicability, while benchmark datasets offer consistent, reproducible comparisons across models. Neither method alone is perfect, which is why using both can give you a more complete picture of model performance. Before we start today's episode, I wanted to revert back to some listener feedback, which has been overwhelmingly positive about this series, so thank you all so much. However, perhaps a little too positive, as everyone wants to do the exam right now and not wait until the end of the series. So to help, we're switching up gears to wrap up our series faster, covering multiple exam objectives in each episode. So we're going to complete the series in the next 5 episodes. And today we're tackling 2 related objectives about evaluating foundation model performance. The first is identify relevant metrics to assess foundation model performance. For example, recall-oriented understudy for gisting evaluation, or Rouge, bilingual evaluation understudy, or Blue, and Bert Score. And our second objective is determine whether a foundation model effectively meets business objectives. For example, productivity, user engagement, and task engineering. So let's dive in, starting with identifying relevant metrics to assess foundation model performance. When it comes to foundation models, especially those dealing with language tasks, we have several specialized metrics, and we're going to cover 3 of them. The first is Rouge, or recall-oriented understudy for gisting evaluation. This metric is primarily used for evaluating text summarization. It compares the model's output to human-generated summaries, focusing on overlap of n-grams, word sequences, and word pairs. Now, those terms are pretty complex, so we're not going to dive into those in this series. All you need to worry about is Rouge relates to evaluation of text summarization. Next, we have Blue, which stands for bilingual evaluation understudy. This metric is commonly used in machine translation. It measures how similar the machine translated text is to a professional human translation. And finally, Bert Score. This newer metric uses text embeddings generated by Bert, a language model developed by Google, to compute the similarity between embeddings in generated text and sample reference texts. It's designed to better correlate with human judgment than traditional metrics. So that was quite a few we went through. Let's summarize them. When you see Rouge, think text summarization. When you see Blue, think machine translation. And when you see Bert Score, think embedding similarity, and it's evaluating all of those things. All right, let's move on to our second objective. Determine whether a foundation model effectively meets business objectives. While technical metrics, such as the ones we just discussed, are important, they don't always directly translate to business value. Here's what to consider. Productivity. Is the model helping users complete tasks faster or more efficiently? This could be measured by time saved or increased output. User engagement. Are your users interacting more with your product or service because of the AI features? Look at metrics like session duration, return visits, or feature usage. Task engineering. How well does the model perform on specific business-related tasks? This might involve creating custom evaluation sets that reflect real-world use cases. To truly assess business impact, you'll often need to combine these factors with traditional business metrics like revenue growth, customer satisfaction scores, and maybe operational cost savings. Let's do a review question. A company is using a foundation model to generate product descriptions for their e-commerce website. They want to evaluate the model's performance and its impact on the business. Which of the following combinations would provide the most comprehensive assessment? A. Blue Score and revenue growth. B. Rouge Score and user engagement. C. Bert Score, productivity metrics and sales conversion rate. Or D, blue score and task completion time? We'll review this in the next episode, where we're moving on to talking about guidelines for responsible AI, a very important topic. And don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode.